Hello everyone, I am Nur. Today I will show you how you can save all the desktop file to a drive other than C drive. This system is very useful for us because many times our windows are corrupted. As a result, the files on our desktop are not easier found. To avoid this, we will look at today's method so that the C drive is corrupted and our file is remained. That's all we need to open this PC or my computer. Okay, I'm open this PC and find in there this is the quick access and this PC like that. Then we click just this PC and find the desktops. Select the desktops and right click on mouse and click properties. Okay, click properties. We get new windows. Then we find in there this is the general share security locations also preview. We select the locations and find the current locations is there. Now click the move for new locations and select this PC. Click just this PC and select your drive where you want to keep your new locations or desktops all documents. I'm select the G drive. Okay, and make a new folder and rename. Right is there is desktop and press another one and select new folder. Select folder and press yes. You find the new windows. Do you want to move all the file from the old location to new location? Yes, we want. Also, Windows also recommended for move all file in new one. You write in there is carefully and just press after written press the yes and press OK. Friends, our system is okay now. We open this PC. Okay, and go to the G drive and go to the desktops icon. You can see this all folder is showing there, also PDF file and also video. Okay, if you put a folder or data on the desktops, the data will be found in the new location. In this case, even if windows are corrupted, there is no fear of lost data. I make this text document new create file on desktop. Friends, you can see this similar file show your G drive and close and check again this PC. Go to the G drive and go to the desktops and you can see this same file is in there. Friends, now you are safe if your windows is corrupted. No matter as other drive, you also find your desktop's important file. If you do not subscribe till now my channel, please subscribe my channel